Hello Internet, and today on my documentation of my lockpicking adventures I will be opening up this Master Lock 570. Might want to settle in. I suspect this is going to take a bit. There we go. I'll take these off. So there you have it. That actually took less time than I was expecting. So this is actually the first lock with security pins I have been able to unlock. And it, along with its friend here, represent what I consider a step forward in my lockpicking skills. In that I can now open locks with security pins in them. Not all of them, but these two, yes. These are also as I shall now demonstrate, hopefully, key retaining locks as well. And these are the first key retaining locks I actually managed to pick open. I just couldn't do it reliably enough to put it in film at that point, as the other video I'll have tagged up there somewhere or in the end card description, showing the other key retaining lock I have opened up for you thus far. So yes, this is a step forward, and hopefully in the future I will open up this 575 for you. That will actually mark my first goal achieved, opening up this in particular lock. Not a 575 lock, I have another one of those, but this in particular lock. And that happens, I'll put it to moving picture documentation and share the origin story of this particular lock as well. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you like, and have a nice day.